Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to import Notion templates. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Notion templates. Once you're here, scroll down. Then click on the link that says www.notion.so that says Template Gallery-Notion Pics. Once you are now redirected to this website, on the left corner, scroll down. Then in here, you can browse by category. As an example here, I am choosing marketing. Then I will scroll down, then I will see a lot of templates coming in from notions.so. Now click any template you want to use. Then you'll be redirected to another part of the website. And then in here, there will be a button that says Duplicate Template. Then you will now be redirected to another part of the website. And then in here, you should now be using the template that you have selected. Just wait for the website to finish loading. Once you log into your notions.so's personal account, you should see over here another duplicate template from the ones that we have chosen. And if you also want to add a link of any template, it is also possible. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.